Chinese blue cheese. Smell it.
Viking sword.
哦，清华的学霸，研究生，学法律的。
Oh my goodness. Woo! 你好，我叫 Mathias 学生 here in Beijing. I've come here to China to explore the culture, people, and the adventures of this country. Thank you for having me.
Yes. And Mathias is from Norway. Hello, I'm Shanny. Welcome to my yummy planet and very welcome to Mathias. And this is your first winter in Beijing and in China, right?
First winter in Beijing, yes.
Yes, as a host here, I have the responsibility to show you around and to enjoy the charming Beijing's winter.
Thank you very much, Shanny. I look forward to it.
Yes, and first up, the Beijing Hot Pot. Ta-da! Actually, we are now in the restaurant, in the balcony of the restaurant, right?
Yes. Great view, great food. Everything
Look at this.
Amazing.
Yeah, this tower is the drum tower.
Ah.
And behind the drum tower is the bell tower.
Yes.
Yes, in ancient time, there's no clock, there's
Yeah.
no watch, there's no cell phone. So
Yeah.
people use the bells and drums to know the time.
Wow.
Yes, and look there. People can see the Shichahai River there.
Wow.
In Chinese, hai means sea, ocean, but actually it's a lake. Is Beijing colder or in your city it's colder?
Beijing is much colder.
And how many trousers did you wear? Yeah.
Here it is.
挪威人穿秋裤。
In Beijing, it's really cold compared to where I live.
So we go
Yes.
inside and
Yes.
look around the restaurant.
Let's
go.
do it. Let's do it.
Look at this. This is a very traditional Chinese style. It's very Beijing style. And this restaurant is 5 years on the list of a Michelin Guide.
This is the best hot pot in Beijing.
Why not? Let's order something.
Yes.
你好，嗨，杨大爷，你好，你好，您好。哎，
你好。
你好，你好. Nice to meet you.
he is the owner of this restaurant.
Yes.
杨大爷。
Amazing restaurant. Really good. What other?
咱们就开涮嘛。
这是他第一次吃咱们老北京涮火锅，
哦
有什么您推荐的吗
咱先说金元宝吧，这是一个元宝。
？The ancient money called 元宝。
这个肉呢是羊的元宝肉，部位呢在哪儿呢？在屁股蛋儿上。
Yeah.
这个呢是比较嫩，还有一个呢是剔骨羊排，就是羊排，把骨头去掉，它是肥瘦相间。涮羊肉起源的时候，因为那个时候还没有冰箱，60几年、70几年那个时候就开始有冰箱，然后就可以开始把羊肉给冻上了。结果呢，就是从冻羊肉出现了以后，大家就习惯于吃冻羊肉。
他说他两个都喜欢。
都喜欢，因为这个呢，造型呢，这是一个剑，因为过去，这个传统涮肉的时候是冰天雪地里边，用钢盔，然后把血放在钢盔里边，然后用把粪给点着，然后行军打仗的时候用战刀把羊冻了这么片，所以这款涮肉呢，一举起宝剑就想起传统，就是涮羊肉的由来。
Viking sword.
Look at me and dip in this hot water, boiled water, and then several times, and it's okay to eat.
Wow.
Do not boil much more time. 涮羊肉一定要涮，不能煮时间太久。我看来我是没说明白，行吧，那咱们就都放进去吧，这才是北京冬天正确的打开方式啊。How do you like it so far?
Delicious.
That's the taste of the winter in Beijing.
Very different to anything I've tasted back home. All is very special. You know, this thin cuts of the meat, boil it for a short while. The sauce, very Chinese. Everything.
Very Chinese style, right?
Very Chinese style.
Yes. 我们下一点带脆骨的肉，我打赌他绝对没有吃过。It's another part of the lamb, and you can try this. for you. Do you eat the crispy bone?
Maybe even small like this, because yeah. But like the cuts we do in Norway is very different. We do like, I think there's always bone. Because we do like bigger, we do, it'll be like this thick, So you just remove the bone. You just kind of like eat and then you take it out. So we don't have a thin cut like this.
And this one with the bone, and this one without the bone. 这个就是去骨的羊排肉，哎呦，看着比刚才的那个要厚实一点儿。这个羊排肉煮完以后，它的那个纤维感更足一些。哎，这个羊排肉吃着更厚实，更筋道，哇，一咬嘎吱嘎吱的。这个嘎吱嘎吱跟刚才那个脆骨的嘎吱嘎吱不是一个嘎吱嘎吱，总之都是嘎吱嘎吱。
What are you saying?
他让我翻译，哎呦，真没法翻。你回头看字幕吧。
你普通话打很好。
What is the traditional of eating meat in your country?
All the time.
All the time.
We are meat lovers. The most typical meat in Norway is minced meat. But also do beef steaks, chicken legs, chicken fillet. We have a lot of lamb, but it's not the most popular because it's a very holiday thing. We do it for Christmas. We do it for Easter.
Lamb only for holidays, right?
Not only, but very much. Like I don't eat lamb except at holidays in Norway. And then we have pig, of course, bacon, and we do fish, salmon, cod.
Norway salmon is very.
It's the best.
Yes, famous. It's best.
It is the best. It's the best salmon in the world.
And this time we will try this 手切羊肉，尝尝这个和那个去骨羊排有什么区别？ Why do you want to come China to study?
In Norway, we know very little about China. It's relative to the size and importance of China today in the world. World's second biggest economy.
Yeah.
Major influence on the global stage. But in Norway, we know very little about China, and very few people come here from Norway. So I needed to come down here for myself and get to know the Chinese food, the Chinese people.
Yes.
And the Chinese culture to see for myself and learn about China. That is why I'm here.
Which part of the Chinese culture you are most interested in?
Everything really. Just learn about the history, learn about the traditions, the religions, the sayings, everything.
Yes, and you are learning law in Tsinghua University, right?
Yeah.
清华的学霸，研究生学法律的。Why you are decide to learn law in China, in Tsinghua?
Because that was like the best opportunity for me to come here.
What is the difference between learning in Chinese university and Norwegian university?
As in high school in Norway, where you go to university in Norway, I think we never go to school after 4 o'clock. If you go to school at 6 o'clock, very late. In China you might have classes until 10 o'clock, And after the national holidays, there was like we started the class on Saturday because we had to make up for the lost time in the national holiday. These things, it's just small details. It doesn't matter. But the most part of the different experiences is that in Norway you take the bus to school. You live outside school and you take the bus to school. There's nothing that happens in school. You just go to school after school. But here in China, when you go to university, your whole life is in school. You can work out at school, you live at school, you eat at school. All the people are at school. So I didn't have to leave Tsinghua 1 minute while I was in China.
Which style do you prefer?
Tsinghua is one of the best schools in the world.
Yeah,
we don't have as
course.
good schools as this in Norway. So to be a student at Tsinghua is of course a much more amazing experience than being a student at the university in Norway. It is uncomparable.
I heard that the canteen in Tsinghua is very delicious. Yeah.
You want to make an episode of Yummy TV in the canteen?
May I?
I'll see if we can get it organized. That would be good.
Yeah. 你看，下一回也约了，这顿饭没白请。Okay. How do you like this part of the meat?
It's very good. It's tender, juicy. You got it all. The flavor is amazing. I could live on this for weeks.
Oh, you can try this sweet and sour garlic. It's the best friend. Oh,
I go double.
一下吃2个蒜，我老天 ！You'd better to peel the skin. Just like that. Eat the inside.
You do like this?
Yeah. 他把蒜皮也吃了，不过没事儿。And this, the third stomach of the kettle. In Chinese, we say 七上八下.
Okay.
Yes.
七上八下.
You can try this.
Good. Very
Chewy.
very chewy. That was
Yeah.
what I was looking for. Very chewy.
In Norway, do people eat this?
I don't know, we don't eat, few people eat intestines in Norway. But like if you go to Italy or Spain, you know, this is very big.
Yes,
Yes.
and Mexico.
Like,
But you
yeah.
can eat this.
Yeah.
Oh, it's great. Great partner for food vlogger.
Yes.
Have you ever tried this?
No.
It's good. People often roasted them, but in this restaurant, people can put it in the hot water. 这是他们店里的一个特别大的一个特色。好了，现在就可以吃了。但是 no， 配这个羊肉串吃的呢，不是麻酱，而是这个干碟的干料。好 ，What are you doing now？
Oh, sorry. I
把这个肉撸下来，那咱还穿啥呀？是吧？直接吃这涮肉得了。
It tastes like Norwegian tacos.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. It's the same seasoning we have on taco in Norway.
Oh. Culture connection.
Oi, oi, oi. Oh my goodness, this was good. Woo!
Will you live in China? Or will you work in China after studying?
If China wants me, maybe I'll say.
Okay.
You think China wants me?
I think
You
I think
think-
so.
yeah.
I think so.
Okay, good.
Yeah, my program wants you.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah, it's okay to eat. You know, Chinese cabbage. People in North in China, we usually eat cabbage, Chinese cabbage, every winter. Without Chinese cabbage, we cannot live through the winter. 北方人没有大白怎么过冬啊？是不是？Ta da! The main food is coming.
You should have told me there were so many dishes. I ate a whole sheep earlier. I didn't know there were going to be more dishes.
First time try this? 这个吃涮肉，最后一定要吃一个芝麻烧饼。
Really good.
Very good for you. This is a surprise for you. Chinese fried steamed buns with Chinese blue cheese. Put a little bit on the top. Cheese. What do you think about that?
Very special. Very special flavor.
Smell it. It's stinky tofu.
Very stinky tofu. Yes.
Very stinky tofu. You like it, right?
This was quite nice. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. Completely crazy, but really good. It is a fried steam bun with Chinese blue cheese. It is absolutely nuts. I've never heard anything like it, but it's surprisingly good.
Yeah.
I'm feeling like eating it all.
Culture connection again.
Culture connection, yes, this
Yeah.
is culture connection.
Okay, how do you think the food today?
Amazing.
So if you like this video, share, like, and subscribe. And thank you, Mathias, for coming here and enjoy the Beijing, Hot Pot.
Thank you for having me.
Yeah,
I
together
enjoyed
with
it.
me.
Thank you,
Yeah.
Shanny. This was great.
And have a very good time in Beijing and good study day up in Tsinghua University. Yes, and in the next episode, I will guide Mathias walk around the Beijing Hutong, and we will drink some dirty coffee.
Dirty coffee.
Yeah, it's totally new for him. Yeah, let's
Okay.
look forward.
Perfect, perfect.
See you next time. Bye bye.
Bye, bye, bye.